Can you light diamond on fire? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be discussing a very intriguing question: can you light a diamond on fire? Diamonds are known to be one of the hardest materials on Earth, but can heat catch them on fire? Let's dive into it. Before we get into the main topic, let's talk about what a diamond is. Diamonds are formed deep within the Earth's mantle under high pressure and high temperature environments. They're a form of carbon, and their molecular structure makes them the hardest known material on Earth. The diamond is composed of carbon atoms bonded together in a crystalline structure. Can you burn a diamond like you can burn coal or wood? Now, the question that arises is whether or not you can burn a diamond like you can coal or wood. Diamonds are carbon, and carbon does burn, but the temperature required to ignite a diamond is incredibly high. And, with the highest average ignition temperature of any substance that we know of, diamonds are considered combustible only at temperatures higher than 1,700 degrees Celsius, 3,100 Fahrenheit. And even at such high temperatures, it is highly unlikely that they will ignite. What happens to a diamond when exposed to fire? At temperatures below the ignition point, a diamond will not catch fire, but it may still sustain damage. When exposed to high heat or fire, diamonds will not burn but will still undergo a process known as thermal shock. This process happens when a material that is exposed to extreme temperature changes too quickly, eventually causing the diamond to crack or shatter. In conclusion, diamonds are incredibly hard to set on fire. Even just trying to do so would require an incredibly high temperature. While diamonds are not truly fireproof, they're as close as any naturally occurring substance gets. So, burning a diamond should not be something you should worry about, even if you ever get your hands on one. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of diamonds and their durability. Stay tuned for more interesting topics in the future. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.